This is why your marketing isn't working. Let me guess, you've tried all of the marketing things, but somehow you're still not connecting with enough of the right people as easily as you'd like to. Happily, by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly why your marketing isn't working. And even better, I'm going to tell you what to do instead to call in tons of those right people. If we haven't met before, I'm Wendy White, biz dev strategist for extraordinary entrepreneurs. I help coaches and consultants and other thought leaders win clients and make an extraordinary impact with their message. I'm so glad you found me. Hit the subscribe button and get to know my world. Now let's dive right in, because this is the most common error that coaches, consultants, and creatives are making with their marketing, and it really keeps them from connecting with their prospects and converting them into clients. You are not your client. Even if your client is a younger version of you or a less informed, less evolved version of you, the one before you learned all of those crucial lessons and skills, she is not the you of today, the expert you, right? So why am I telling you this? Because your perspective and your potential client's perspective are not the same. How your prospect thinks about the problem you're helping her solve is not the same way that you think about it. So in your marketing, if you talk about the problem you're solving from your expert position and the solution you're offering, this may not have anything to do with what's going on for your prospect or what she's looking for. And as a result, your marketing is not going to connect with her at all. Instead, your marketing needs to be based on that potential client's perspective. Now, the best way to wrap your head around this is to think of yourself as a doctor, and those potential clients, why, they're your patients. Now, they know all the symptoms they have, but they do not know what disease that indicates. If you only talk to them about the disease that you cure and they're thinking they have something else, they're not going to recognize that you can help them. Instead of speaking about the real problem you understand, that underlying disease, you need to speak about the symptoms they are experiencing. Plus, if you use the fancy pants jargon of your industry to describe what's going on, they won't necessarily get that that's what's going on for them. They're not going to see that you can help them, and so they're not going to hire you. So here is what this looks like. My client, Jay, is a health and wellness coach, and she specializes in hormonal imbalance. Now, when she first came to me, she was not getting hired by enough of the right people, despite how very brilliant her work was. All of her marketing was talking about hormonal imbalance. So I asked her, do your clients know that their problem is hormonal imbalance? I mean, are they trying to find ways to balance their hormones? And when we took a look at what her clients were saying, the symptoms they were experiencing, it wasn't hormonal imbalance. Instead, what they were complaining about was they couldn't lose another 15 pounds, and their skin was dull, and their hair was lifeless, and they had no energy. They did not even mention hormonal imbalance. Jay knew that these symptoms indicated hormonal imbalance, but her potential clients did not. And that's why her marketing wasn't connecting with them. But when we changed all of her marketing communications to be about the symptoms her clients were experiencing, everything changed for her. And those clients started showing up in droves. So, regardless of whether you're selling coaching or consulting or creative services, what you need to do to call in tons of those perfect clients is to make sure you're always base your marketing on their perspective. You've got to use words that are meaningful to her and describe what she knows and what she wants in the way that she thinks about it. And this is true for your bio and your elevator pitch, your copy and your website and your emails and on your sales calls. Anywhere you are trying to communicate with potential clients, you need to do this. Otherwise, they simply are not going to buy what you are selling. Now, you're probably thinking, fantastic, I've got it, perfect, I'm ready to go. Just one question. How do I figure this out? How do I know what she knows and what she wants? Luckily for you, I got you covered. Because a couple of months ago, I did a step-by-step breakdown of exactly how to figure this out in a video called How to Know What Your Prospects Want. And I will drop the link right below. So your takeaways for today. This is why your marketing isn't working. Because no one's going to hire you to solve a problem they don't know they have, or to give them the solution they don't know they need. So don't make this mistake that so many people are making without even realizing it. If you want your marketing to be effective and to actually connect with people and convert them into clients, make sure that it is based on their perspective, not on yours. Does that make sense? I hope you found that helpful. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button below and share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe because I'm sharing strategies like this every single week. Hit the bell to get notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Now, go be extraordinary.